G'day YouTube, it's Chris here again, and today we are making chocolate cupcakes and a actual cake. And they're low carb, they're keto friendly, they are beautiful, they look absolutely stunning, so chocolatey with the truffle icing, and honestly, they're something you don't want to miss. They're absolutely beautiful, nice little layered cake. Alrighty. Guys, we're going to have this recipe on the comments, so don't worry about the amounts in the video because that's not what we're about. Look at that. Absolutely tasty. Man. Alrighty guys, so we're going to start off with our cocoa powder, our erythritol and xylitol. We're going to mix up those dry ingredients because they can get a bit grainy. We're going to put a bit of water in there just to get them mixed up and dissolved. Give them a hell of a good stir because you don't want crunchy bits in the final product. Alright, we've got the vanilla and the coffee in there as well. You can whack it in the microwave occasionally for sort of bursts of about 20 seconds at a go and keep stirring until you notice there's no more grainy bits. Pop in your melted butter, and then we're going to put in our nice big tub of eggs there. So we had 9 eggs. We've been getting a lot of double yolkers lately, and they are delicious, very yolky and very rich. So into the bowl she goes, and then we're going to start adding in our dry mix. So the almond flour, coconut flour, which is very absorbent, and baking powder. So give that a bit of a mix before, then we're going to go and sift it into the wet mix. We don't want any big chunks, alright? No one likes biting into a cake with, you know, a big chunk of baking paper. Guys, that's pretty much it. So pop them into the old, cupcake holders and cake holder, and then we're pretty much away. Make sure they're kind of evenly distributed in there because you don't want. So we're gonna pop them in there for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees in the oven, and you know the cake will take a little bit longer because it's a bit fatter and it's just gonna take a bit longer. But you can have a look and you can tell generally by looking at it. So we're gonna get some of the truffle recipe going in here. We're gonna make this as the icing on top of cute little cupcakes. Once you've got that done, honestly, you could eat this stuff. I pretty much ate half of one of these packets straight up. It was so delicious, so sweet. But also be careful with the old erythritol and xylitol because it can give you digestion issues, which I found out. It's like having a lot of sugar-free gum or lollies. You will end up on the pot for quite a while. Alright, so to stuff the cake, we're going to cut him in half. We're going to stuff this stuff right in the middle. Spread it out. If you've cooled it down, it stops it being so runny in the fridge for a while, and then whack it on top. This happened. It stuffed up a little bit, so we're just going to smooth that out. And then a bit of chocolate on top, bit of raspberry as well, and you can't go wrong. Look at it. Guys, super easy, super simple, super fast. Like and subscribe. Make sure you're not missing out on any more of our delicious recipes. And here you go, cupcakes and real cakes. So look at it, absolutely beautiful. The chocolatiness is unrivaled. I've never had something so chocolatey in my life, and I am a fiend for dense chocolatey cake. This is it. It's fantastic. Can't beat it. Guys, get around it. Try it out. It's super quick, super fast. It's delicious. You're not going to go wrong with it. It's quite easy. Get it done, taste it, and live the dream.